If you're intimidated but you want to start making homemade bread, I recommend trying this recipe first. It's so simple, I got it right on the first time. Start by adding 2 1/4 teaspoon yeast to your bowl. Add 1 1/2 cups of warm water. After that's all whisked up, give it 2 minutes to activate. After that, whisk in a tablespoon of honey. Then you're going to add 3 1/4 cup flour. Now I use bread flour, but you can also use all-purpose. And then 1/2 teaspoon salt. Once you have all the ingredients in the bowl, you're just going to give it a rough mix. This does not have to be perfect by any means. I always start with a spoon and then graduate to my hand. When you're all done, it should look something like this. Then you're just going to plop a cloth over the top and put it in the oven with the light on. Now, the closer to 2 hours that you let this rise, the better it's going to be. I only gave this loaf 1 hour because my family was hungry. So after it's done rising, you're going to sprinkle some parchment paper with some flour and then knead your dough just a little bit into a ball. And then this is totally optional, but I like to cut little designs in the top. Then you're just going to plop it into your Dutch oven, put a lid on it, and throw it in the oven. You're going to bake this at 450 covered for 35 minutes. At that 35-minute mark, you're going to take the lid off and continue to bake it at 450 for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how dark you want it. This was closer to 10 minutes. Then this is totally optional, but my family loves when I put butter on the top. I do recommend waiting more than 1 minute to cut your bread because I literally burnt my hands off doing this. This is literally foolproof. It comes out perfect every time.